Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change notification settings in Zangi. To change notification settings in Zangi, first you have to make sure that you have installed the Zangi application in your device. If you have not installed this application in your device, you can go to your App Store or the Play Store depending upon the device you are using and install the application first. Here, I have already installed the application, so I'll tap Open the application. Make sure that you are logged into the application. On your bottom right, you will see settings icon. Tap on it. Here, you can see your private number, your profile information, and various other options as well. Scroll down and tap on notifications. Now, you can choose one by one which notification you want to turn off or which notification you want to turn on by simply tapping on it. I will be enabling the message sound by simply tapping on in-app sounds and in-app vibrate as well. You can scroll down and change other notification settings as well. I'll be turning off light screen for messages by simply tapping on it, and now it is disabled. You can also reset all notification settings to default settings if you want by simply tapping on reset notifications, and now this pop-up will appear. Here, simply tap on reset and now your notification settings has been changed to default settings. That is how you successfully change notification settings in Jangi. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.